Influencer in 2025. Hello, amazing people. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to become a successful social media influencer in 2025. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to grow your influence, this video is packed with insights, strategies, and actionable tips to help you make it big. Social media in 2025 is an ever-evolving landscape, and staying ahead of the curve is the secret sauce to success. Stick around because I'm also going to introduce a powerful AI tool that will revolutionize your content creation process. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's dive into this step-by-step roadmap to becoming an influencer. Before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about why 2025 is the perfect year to become an influencer. 1. Bigger audiences. More opportunities. Social media platforms now boast billions of active users globally. This means your potential audience has never been larger. 2. AI and automation. Tools like Pictory.ai are helping influencers create more content in less time, freeing you up to focus on creativity and engagement. 3. Diverse niches. From gaming and fitness to finance and even niche hobbies, there's a space for everyone. You don't need millions of followers to make an impact. Micro and nano influencers are thriving. 4. Monetization opportunities. With more platforms offering creator funds, affiliate marketing, and direct monetization options, turning your passion into profit has never been easier. Now let's build your foundation. Every influencer needs a solid starting point. Step 1. Define your niche. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? Examples: fitness, DIY crafts, tech reviews, gaming, or even something as unique as gardening in urban spaces. The key is to pick a niche that excites you and aligns with your expertise. Step 2. Know your audience. Think about, who are you speaking to? What problems can you solve for them? Creating a profile of your ideal follower will help you craft content that resonates deeply. Step 3. Establish your brand identity. Your brand is what people remember. It includes a unique username, a consistent color palette for your visuals, a recognizable style or tone in your posts. Step 4. Set clear goals. Define what success means to you. Is it a follower count, a specific income, or something else? Setting smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, is crucial. Content creation is the backbone of your influencer career. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Creating high-quality content. Invest in decent equipment, a good camera, or even a smartphone with excellent video quality. Use proper lighting and ensure your background is clean and on-brand. Plan your scripts, but keep them conversational to maintain authenticity. 2. Consistency. Is key platforms reward creators who post regularly? Here's an ideal posting frequency. Instagram, 4 to 5 posts a week plus daily stories. YouTube, 1 to 2 videos per week. TikTok, at least 1 video daily to maximize reach. Third batch, creating content. Save time by recording multiple pieces of content in one session. Leveraging AI for content creation. Now, I want to introduce you to a tool that's been a lifesaver for influencers, Pictory.ai. This is an AI-powered platform that helps you create professional, engaging videos in just minutes. Here's how it works. 1. Upload your script. 2. Let the AI generate video clips, images, and text overlays that match your content. 3. Customize it to your liking. It's perfect for influencers who want to create content faster without compromising quality. Check out the link in the description below to explore Pictory.ai and see how it can revolutionize your workflow. Creating great content is only half the battle. Now let's talk about how to grow your audience organically. 1. Engage with your followers. Reply to comments and DMs. Host Q&A sessions. Show appreciation to loyal followers by shouting them out. 2. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with influencers in your niche can expose you to new audiences. 3. Utilize platform features. Use Instagram Reels and Stories for quick engagement. Create YouTube Shorts to attract new viewers. Leverage TikTok trends to go viral. 4. Optimize your content for search. Use SEO-friendly titles and hashtags. Write captions that are keyword-rich but natural. Add descriptions on YouTube that include your target keywords. Now let's get to the part that everyone is excited about: making money. Here are the top ways to monetize your influence in 2025. 1. Brand partnerships. Collaborate with brands for sponsored posts, product reviews, or ambassadorships. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products with affiliate links and earn commissions for each sale. 3. Selling your own products. This could be anything from ebooks and courses to physical merchandise. 4th, ad revenue. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok offer monetization through ad programs. 5. Fan support. Platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee allow fans to directly support your work. Social media is constantly changing. Here's how you can stay relevant in 2025 and beyond. 1. Stay updated. Keep an eye on platform updates and new features. 2. Learn continuously. Take courses, attend webinars, or read about social media trends. 3. Adapt to feedback. Pay attention to what your audience loves or dislikes and adjust your strategy accordingly. 4. Diversify your platforms. Don't rely solely on one platform. Build your presence across multiple platforms to safeguard your influence. And here you have it, a complete roadmap to becoming a successful social media influencer in 2025. Remember, the journey takes time, effort, and consistency, but with the right tools and strategies, success is within your reach. If you're serious about starting your influencer journey, don't forget to check out Pictory.ai, the ultimate tool for creating professional videos in no time. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more content like this, and share your influencer goals in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to grow.